VideoProc Vlogger is intuitive and capable video editing software for all creators. Make cinematic videos for everyday creativity, special moments, or fun. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon. To get started, please download this software from official website. Link is also mentioned in description. After download, install it. And run the software on your computer. It is easy enough to use this software, meanwhile powerful enough to deal with all sorts of editing scenarios. First thing first, you can register this software free by click here. Enter your email address and license code. You can get this license code free of cost via email. The interface is composed of 6 main panels: Menu, Media Library, Preview Panel, Inspector, Toolbar, and Timeline. Let's talk about all panels one by one. First, let's see VideoProc menu. It enables you to create a new project, open an existing project, save a project, and archive a project. Export options enable you to export the project, video or audio only. Import files enable you to browse local folders to import media to the software. Edit options enable you to undo, redo, cut, split, delete, copy and paste. These features can be quickly accessed in Toolbar and Timeline too. View options enable you to play, pause the video, and locate the previous, next frame. Help options get you to the full user guide, send feedback, open the homepage, and register panel. Language settings of the software, including English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. Settings option gets you to the Preference Settings tab. Check for Updates option gives you the information of the latest version and lets you upgrade to it immediately. Shortcuts option opens a list of keyboard shortcuts in detail. About option about the current version, update date, license, etc. Let's talk about Media Library. You can import various media files like videos, audios, images, subtitles, etc. from your computer or external devices to this panel. In addition, you can easily locate, browse, and preview your imported files. Adding transitions is a common video editing technique to combine different scenes seamlessly and make our video more coherent, fancy, and professional. VideoProc Vlogger has preset a large number of fancy transitions that can help you create videos in different genres. Adding credits, subtitles, and titles to your videos is a great way to help your audiences identify your point of view, understand the hidden messages conveyed by the video, and get a better viewing experience. You can edit your text. You can change color of your text. You can change style of your text. You can animate your text. Adding effects is a common video editing technique to quickly juice up a video. Without draining your energy, you can make cinematic videos with a bunch of preset effects in VideoProc Vlogger. Just drag the effect you like to the effect track timeline, put it under the clip you want to apply. Let's see what Toolbar is. Split, to cut a video into 2 parts, while the Split All option beside it is to cut clips at the current time in all tracks. Ripple Edit, to trim a video clip on the main video track and close gaps between trimmed clips automatically. Time Stretch, to change the duration of a video by adjusting the speed at a constant rate to compensate. Speed, to open the Speed Editor panel where you can speed up a clip, create a speed ramp, and more. Crop, to open the crop panel in which you can crop clips at different aspect ratios. Motion, to open the motion editor panel in which you can redesign the camera movement by motion crop. Color, to open the color editor panel in which you can apply filters, correct colors, and add 3D LUTs. Audio, to open the audio editor panel after selecting an audio clip on the timeline. It lets you adjust volume, remove background noise, adjust audio speed, apply audio filters, equalizers, and beat analyzer, etc. Detach, to separate audio from a video clip on the main video track. Record, to record voiceover from an audio device and save in the media library. Text, to open the text inspector panel beside the preview area. You can change the content, size, font, color, space, and text duration. Extractor, to extract the soundtrack from the video in MP3 format for convenient conversion from audio to text. Inspector is on the right side of the preview panel. It shows the media info of a clip you selected on the timeline. And it provides multiple edits you can apply to varied elements on the timeline. To be able to watch your project on iPhone, YouTube, TikTok, or any other place outside of VideoProc Vlogger, you need to export the project. Simply click on Export button or select Export from menu. Now you have to do some basic settings like you can change file name, you can change output folder, you can select output file format MP4 or MKV. You can select video quality. You can select audio codec. Once everything is okay, then just click on Start button to start exporting. That's it. Hope you like this video. Link of this software is mentioned in video description. Please visit it and get your own VideoProc free of cost. Please also subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.